Hey there crafters, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. I will be doing a quick tutorial today on these DTF stickers, and I will be making some keychains, right? So here's a quick, creative and very easy, cost-effective way to make some keychains that you can actually sell and make some money. Or you could just give them away as gifts. So I purchased these on Amazon. I'll leave the link below in my description if you're interested in grabbing some of these, right? I do have some acrylic keychains here, which I will be showing you how to apply the DTF sticker to the keychains, all right? So we have these stickers which are pretty much based on faith, and I really wanted to test them to see, how well or how easily they would apply to the acrylic keychains that I already have on hand. All right, so I'm pretty much just going to peel this away and apply it, just to show you the process and how easy it is to do this. All right, so first we need to remove the protective film from our acrylic keychain. All right, so that's pretty easy. You just need one of these tools or something that's sharp enough to just lift it, maybe a pin. But if you're a crafter, I'm sure you already have one of these in your work kit. Okay, so now what we will do is we will remove the sticker. These were just pre-designs that I grabbed. They looked cute. And you're going to carefully place this on your acrylic keychain. All right. So I want to ensure that it's not too far off the edge. But nice positioning. Okay. So once this is laid flat, I am just going to grab my squeegee and I am going to rub it on. So you just want to make sure that this is on the acrylic design. You're just going to rub just to make sure that all the little sections are accounted for. And whenever you think you have done enough of that, you can start slowly peeling away the design. All right, so if you're peeling and you realize that it's not fully on, you can always just push it back and rub again. All right, so far everything is coming off pretty easily. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more just to make sure that I have all the edges. I hate when these break and you can't fix it. Okay. So just go slowly, no need to hurry. This is one of the quickest ways to make a keychain, depending on the occasion or what you need it for. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in. Okay. Our design is looking great so far. There are some really small edges that you just want to make sure that they are fully on while you're peeling, Take it slow, no need to rush. That way you'll be sure that you're not damaging your finished design. All right, so you see it takes a little bit of patience to get this done, but trust me, you're going to love this. So DTF printing has been one of the most economical and creative ways of having, you know, really nice designs done. You can also add something to this side of the keychain if you want, or you could leave it as is. You could also use some UV resin to seal this design. It will last so much longer, but by itself, this design is pretty good. So you can see it's a really nice finish. Looks like great quality, and it's definitely something you can try out if you're looking to do generic designs that you just want to make some keychains and sell them. All right, I also want to show you some additional ways in which you can actually jazz this up to make it a little bit cuter, you know, make it unique. I do have some rhinestones here, which I'm going to apply using my gun applicator, my heat gun applicator. So let's see if we can find a pretty stone to go with this. All right, this one is nice. So this is already hot. You know, you have to be very careful when you are using this heat gun applicator. And I will also leave the link in my description below. This was also purchased on Amazon, right? So for the heat gun, what you pretty much want to do is to heat it up. It comes with a couple different applicators, so it depends on the size rhinestone that you're working with. Then you'll use the applicator that is fitting. All right, so I'm gonna go with the first one and place it right here. Okay, so I'm going to use my heat applicator to put this on. All right, so it's pretty easy, and this doesn't take a lot. As you can see, it's on. So just a few seconds and it's good to go. So I'll just position that one and we will apply it. So you're just holding this in place for a few seconds. It's an acrylic material, so it's not going to take long to hold the design. All right, and then we're going to add another one right here. Just hold it for a few seconds and you're good to go. So it's pretty much just heating up the glue that's on the back of the rhinestones, and there we go. You have a cute little design right here that's unique to you. You know, get creative. You know, there are other sets that you can use gemstones on your keychain design, which, you know, all you need is a really good glue. So this one is the Liquid Fusion, and it's the heavy duty, so it really keeps it in place. It's just that it's gonna take a little time to dry. So if you're in a hurry, I would recommend you go with the rhinestones that has the adhesive on the back, and they're easier to apply using the heat gun applicator. All right, so we can just add the little rings And then that would complete your keychain pretty much. All right, so I have my little tools here that I typically use to apply my chains. Okay, so easy steps, pretty easy steps, you know, totally beginner friendly. You don't need to know a lot to do this. And there you have it. You have a keychain. You can also apply some tassels. These usually come with any keychain set that you're purchasing. So you can apply a tassel to your design. If it would just open. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go with this nice color right here. So what I typically do is just to open, so that I open this link or this one, and that allows me to add the tassel pretty easily. Okay. Or if you want it to hang a little bit more, you can use one of these, but I wouldn't recommend, because then you're going to be wasting your rings, and you may need them for actual keychains. So there we go. That is the finished product. If you want to take it a little step further, as I mentioned, you can seal it using the UV resin, and then, you know, if you want, you can also add glitter on the backside. But if you're going to do glitter on the backside, that's something that I would recommend you do first, and then you add your design, because the glitter is going to take a couple applications for you to apply it, and then allow it to dry before you apply. Let me know what you think about this quick and easy design. Hope you learned something new today and you found yourself a quick and easy way to make some keychains. Thank you. See you in my next video.